If you're looking for a quick and easy way to send invoice reminders in Xero, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know so you can set up automatic invoice reminders and keep your clients up to date without lifting a finger. First things first, let's quickly look at what Xero is. It's an accounting software that helps businesses of all sizes streamline their finances. And yes, it makes managing invoices a breeze. But today, we're focusing on one specific feature, sending invoice reminders. Now, if you've ever been stuck chasing clients for payments, Xero can save you time and effort. You can set up automatic reminders so that the system will notify your clients about overdue invoices without you needing to do anything manually. This is a great way to maintain a steady cash flow and reduce that awkward conversation about unpaid bills. Let's dive into the step-by-step process for sending an invoice reminder in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, go to the Sales menu and click on Invoices. Here, you'll see all of your outstanding invoices. If you've already sent an invoice and want to send a reminder, simply click on the overdue invoice. It's that easy. Next, to set up the reminder, look for the Send Reminder option. It's typically located near the top of the invoice page. If you've already created automatic reminders, you can choose from those options. You'll see reminders set for different time frames, like 7 days overdue, 14 days overdue, and so on. You can adjust these settings to fit your business needs. For businesses that need to personalize their communication, Xero gives you the option to tweak the message. You can include a polite reminder about payment, add any late fees if you have them in place, or just remind the client of the original due date. This personalization feature makes a huge difference in maintaining professional relationships while staying firm on payments. Once you've selected your preferred reminder, just click Send, and just like that, you've sent an invoice reminder to your client without any extra work on your part. But here's where Xero really shines. You can automate this entire process. That's right. Xero allows you to set up recurring reminders so you never forget to follow up on overdue invoices. To set up automation, head to your Xero settings and find the Invoices section. From there, you can configure your reminders based on your business preferences, like how many days after the due date to send a reminder and whether to include an escalation in case of continued non-payment. This feature is a game changer for small businesses or busy professionals who don't want to manually chase down payments. And here's a little pro tip. Xero even tracks which reminders have been sent, so you'll always know when the last reminder was issued. This helps avoid any confusion with your clients and ensures you stay on top of all overdue accounts. Before we wrap up, here's the big news. You can try out Xero for free. That's right, no risk, just a smooth experience for managing your invoices and accounting. Plus, there's an exclusive extended trial available for you through the link in the description below. Make sure to grab that before it's gone. You'll be able to test out all these features, including invoice reminders, without paying a dime. So if you're ready to save time and hassle, don't miss out on Xero's amazing capabilities for invoice management. And remember, by using the link in the description, you'll get a free trial along with some bonus perks. Start automating your invoice reminders today with Xero and enjoy a more efficient way to handle your finances. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link below to get started with your free trial.